we're PreRoll-Er. PreRoll-Er is a complete solution for pre-roll. So we go from 500 to 5,000 an hour in terms of production for pre-rolls. So we have the complete solution for your application in pre-rolls, from the smallest to the largest. We've been in business selling those machines for 3 years. We have a very solid solution that's proven. We have multiple installations all across North America. So we'd love to hear about you, your production, and the machine. I mean, the big thing with our machine is basically the flexibility, the versatility of the machine. We can use any size of cones, and the range of weight also is very, very, very large, so 0.25 to 2 grams. And we can use any manufacturer of cones. The machine runs on it. And we do also the final packaging. So if you want to do also flour in bags and jar, we have those solutions. They all manufactured by us in North America. You can find us on a website. That's the best place, www.preroll-er.com. So glad to hear about you guys. Thanks very much.